When drilling holes, there are many situations where you want to restrict the depth of the hole you're drilling and not go all the way through the board. Joe's got a couple techniques for us.
Well, if you go to the hardware store, you can actually buy steel collars, depth stop collars that you can put on the end of the bit. But this technique is a much quicker and simpler approach. Take a piece of masking tape and wrap it around the drill bit, leaving just the depth of the hole sticking out on the end. Then snip off the tape with a pair of scissors, and what you create is this little tape flag. And as you drill the hole, the tape flag will brush away the wood chips, indicating that you've drilled down to the correct depth.
Well, that makes the hole very visible.
Now, this technique works great if you're drilling 3 or 4 holes, or maybe even up to 10 or 12 holes. But beyond that, the tape flag will eventually wear out and get ripped, and your hole will keep getting progressively deeper. And you don't want that to happen because you'll eventually drill right through the wood piece. So, this is a more durable technique that works when you're drilling several holes. It's just a 1x1 block of wood that I drilled a hole through the center of. And now, you can adjust the depth of the hole by just sliding the drill bit in and out of the chuck of the drill and tightening it up. Then you just hold the block of wood right on the wood, and you just drill all the way down until the drill bottoms out, and you get perfectly same depth holes every time.